Of course, brains are fried from heat, and actually I forgot my phone last time, but we got a few more things done last time. Got some of the panels painted for the facade, and did a few more on the wood panels. However, today is all wood panels because we need to crank this dookie out. We got so much done today. Oh my god, look how much is left in here. Look, it's almost gone. Alright, y'all, final day of this weekend to be working on the panels. So let's get it done. Well, we had to end it about an hour early today just because the wind, let me see, it has just been whipping us all day, which you can probably see in the video from trying to move the finished panels. Yeah, although it feels great. It feels absolutely great. The weather is very cooperating, except for the wind. And some of the stuff over on this end was getting blown around, so we just decided, you know what? Let's just go ahead and secure everything so that when we come back tomorrow, it's not, I don't know, across the neighborhood. No. But we got some of this stuff staged over here. These are going to be the starting panels. These are the ones we were waiting for. I thought it was one. It was actually, let's see, that one and that one right over there. So, yes, we're waiting for those. And we have tons and tons and tons of them already finished, so we can rock and roll. The only thing that's not ready to go is their greenhouse, which, I mean, that's all it would to make it right there anyway. So what I'm going to be doing is we're going to put all the panels out on the ground, and then we're going to take this icky green oops paint that I found, fabulous, fabulous, and just splatter the crap out of it so that it's not only visible, but it kind of cuts down the amount of light that goes through, and don't want to melt anything again. But I'm excited. Walls will be going up very, very soon. Oh yeah. And also going through these, we got 56 out of 74 panels finito. So that is way above my goal for this weekend. Woohoo!